Hey there, Tristan here. Today we're going to talk about managing commissions in RepairDesk. Accessing the commissions management module is very simple. On the top right, select that 9 dots and then select Store Settings. Select Employees on the left and then Commissions. We'll click on this tab on the right that says Set Up Commission. Here we can see that commissions can be configured in 4 different ways. The first way is that only the salesperson gets a commission, only the person who created the ticket. The second way is that only the technician gets a commission, only the person who repaired the device. The third way is we'll give both the salesperson and the technician a commission. The fourth way is we decide who gets commission based off of what was sold. The technician would get all the commission value for repairs, and the sales rep would get all the commission value for accessories that were upsold. For this example, we'll give both the salesperson and the technician a commission. Next, we need to decide how that commission is calculated. Are we going to pay the commission based off the entire sale value or just on the profit of that transaction? For this example, we'll calculate commissions based off the entire sale value. Lastly, we need to decide what happens if that ticket is refunded. If the ticket is refunded, do the commissions still reflect on the commissions report or do they need to be voided? With this enabled, if a ticket were to be refunded in full, the commission would be completely voided from the commissions report. If a ticket were to be refunded partially, the commission would be recalculated on the commissions report. If this were to be disabled, the commission would remain on the commissions report regardless of whether or not the ticket was refunded. Next, if we go up here and click on that left tab that says Employee Commissions, we can change the commission rates by employee. If I click on this Edit option, and I select all my employees at once so I can do a bulk edit, I'm going to say that for repairs, everyone gets a 10% commission. For products, everyone gets a 5% commission. For trade-in items, everyone gets a 10% commission. And for miscellaneous items, everyone gets a 5% commission. Now, you don't have to use percentages here. Let's say that for repairs, you wanted to pay everyone $5 for every repair that was done. You could set a flat rate in that way. We're going to go back to 10% for this example and click Update. You can see all these numbers updated automatically. Let's say that I have a specific employee that commissions should not apply to. You can uncheck that employee and disable commission, and you can re-enable it in the same way. Now for this example, I've created a ticket where I have created the ticket and assigned it to Shane Smith as the technician. So I was the salesperson, Shane was the technician. It's an iPhone 16 battery replacement, and that iPhone 16 battery replacement was $100. If I go to Reports and Employee Commission Breakdown, we can see that I, the person who created the ticket, got 10% of $100, which is $10, and Shane, the individual who repaired the item, got 10% of $100, which is $10. In this report, I can see the status of a commission. I can see whether or not it's been paid or if it's unpaid. You can change the status of that commission and whether it's been paid or unpaid through the payroll management. If I am an employee and I just want to view what my commission looks like, I can go to Reports and click on My Commission. And that's how you do employee commissions in RepairDesk.